How's it going? Welcome back. We're out in Tennessee, Townsend, Tennessee to be exact. We're out here for about a week and a half, hanging out, going through the Smokies, playing video games. I just thought I'd share this because look how crazy this looks. This is what we're working with right here. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Except right there. I almost went through that. That's another story. So we are at a family cabin right now. We had the privilege of being able to come out here for a week, hang out and check out the Smokies. Look at this. It's a little closed in area so the bugs don't get you. That's cool. That's super cool. Yeah, we're out here for a week doing Smoky Mountains stuff. There they are. They're in there acting crazy right now. It's like a real nice view of the mountains. This is the only cabin on 20 acres. And this is like right next to Wears Valley, Townsend, right next to Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg area. But this is what we're working with. There I am. There I am. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi. Wow.
Hi.
Hi.
Today we're at the cabin and we went to Cades Cove.
You went to Cades Cove? What did we see?
Saw a bear. We saw a bear.
We saw a bear. What type of bear?
A baby bear. A black bear.
A black bear.
Yeah!
It was like a medium-sized black bear.
It was tiny.
Yeah, it was tiny.
It was as tiny as the one we saw yesterday.
Yeah. Wow, they're just loving it, right? You go out in the woods?
Yeah.
Yeah? And you made it. You didn't get eaten by a bear? You're still here?
No, I got bit by a spider.
You got bit by a spider? Oh.
Right here.
Let's see it. Oh, look how tiny that is.
Right here.
I don't think you'll lose your leg. You'll be all right.
I know. I won't.
And so we're grilling out right now. Katie's cleaning everything up. And today, what are we cooking, Liam? What's in here?
Burgers.
Burgers and what?
I don't know. What's that?
Burgers and gosh, what? Katie, what is this again?
Little pork steak.
It's pork. It's a tenderloin, a pork tenderloin. But yeah, this not a bad view.
And guess what happened?
Not a bad view.
I shot my first gun.
You shot your first gun?
And Daddy shot this one.
I shot that? Yeah, we shot some stuff. He shot his first gun. Was that impressive?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I held it for him, so did it together. That was a fun experience. It's a nice day, right, Liam? Look at the mountain in the background. So that's this is Townsend, Townsend, Tennessee.
Yeah, when we went to the river, I cut my finger.
Yeah, you did. So if you go down here and you cut to the left, you could go down to Cades Cove is like to the right over here, and then Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg is this way through Wears Valley. So you'll drive through Wears Valley, and then if you go that way, you'll hit Knoxville, Maryville, then Knoxville. Right? And we saw some bears today. We went to Cades Cove. I know he's out here.
5 bears yesterday.
5 bears. Yeah, we saw some baby bears. We saw some full-size bears. Let's go out here. Let's go out here. We got a lot to pick up. Got a lot to pick up. Ooh, the wind's picking up. Wind's picking up, guys.
So today I went over down there and went into the woods.
You went over there into the woods?
Yeah, but then I got bit by a spider.
But then you got bit.
So
Oh. All right, let's see what we're working with. See how we're doing. So I'm not like the best cook. I'm not the worst cook, but I'm definitely not the best cook. Man, it's gonna be tough to leave. I mean, thank God we're going back to like theme parks, Florida and Universal, but man, if we weren't, look how hard would this be to leave? Just crazy. Like that's your view when you're cooking. I'll get a video from inside too, like from the pool table area, which is kind of crazy. It's like on the second level up there. I don't know if you can see it. We'll go inside. Yeah, you can't see. You can just see me in my pathetic attempt to film through a reflective window. Sup?
I just came over from the
Sup? What are you doing?
nothing in the woods.
In the woods?
Yeah.
What'd you see in the woods?
Bugs.
Hey, if you see a bear, scream real loud for me, okay?
Why?
Just so I know where it is, so I could run away. I'm just kidding. I'll come get you, buddy. I'll come get you. Man, these are looking good. Look at that. Yeah. I don't know how long that cooks, but we'll figure it out. I'm probably not supposed to be leaving it open that long, but I wanted to give you guys a look-see. A skink?
Yeah.
His skinking butt. His skinking butt. Don't touch that. Don't. So what was your favorite part about the trip? Gatlinburg? Candy? Arcade? Bear? Arcade? Not being out in the woods and seeing bears? And going swimming in the creek, remember that? Man, I gotta go get a video of that before we leave. That's what we should do.
Dad?
Go swimming in the creek.
I
Liam?
see like a wolf down there.
You saw a wolf down there? It's probably a coyote.
Because I saw,
They make little yipping sounds.
I saw something run away and it made a yipping sound.
It made a yipping sound? No.
I don't know what it was.
Ew. Yesterday was Friday the 13th, buddy.
What?
Yesterday was Friday. It's a movie. It's a movie. Yep. Yep. You going down yonder? Down yonder. I'm so sorry if anybody's. I lived in Tennessee for 3 years and like I really enjoy making that accent, even though I'm horrible at it. Where you going? Where you going? You're going on an adventure like the Goonies? That's one we gotta go to. We gotta go to Astoria, Oregon one time. Daddy's always wanted to go to see Oregon. Oregon. Well, the glare is pretty strong over there. Sun's about sets about 7 o'clock. 6:48. 6:48. Saturday. Actually, it is Saturday. Nope, it's Sunday. Sunday. Yep, that's right. We're leaving tomorrow. We're leaving tomorrow morning. We've been here for a week. So I just wanted to show you guys what we're working with. Hopefully I don't burn the food. And we will see you guys when we get back to Florida.
What's that?
What's that? Bye.